In this video I'm going to show you how to create a little navigation bar up at the top here so that I can actually move between pages that I've made. On my HTML code you'll notice that I've put in a little section called nav, a class of objects called nav. I've put in the word artists, and then I have two items, one there and one there, and they've been given the A tag, the anchor tag. So this word here, Picasso, is going to be the hyperlink that references the page called picasso.html. And similarly, these words here, Van Gogh, are going to be the hyperlink that references the page called van Gogh.html. And if you look at the page here, that's what I've got up at the top. I've got the word artists, and then I have these two objects that belong to that class. So if we look at the actual style, first of all, you can see that I've put the style for the navigation, that's all this, right up at the top before the style for the heading, just to sort of keep it all in a logical order. And I'm saying that the class called nav is going to go across the page with automatic height, and the font in that area is going to be 20 pixels. And then anything within the class nav that has the A tag is going to have centered text with padding of 15 pixels on either side. So we'll just have a look at that. So if you look at this, you can see the text is centered within that area, and it's got padding of 15 pixels on either side. Same thing with this, 15 pixels on either side. And these lines here, it's saying that if you encounter an A tag within that class, if it's a link, we want the background color to be, well, that's the color I've been using on the page for the text. But if I hover over it, I want the background color to be red, and if it's active, I want the background color to be purple. So let's just go and see that happening. So hover over it, you can see that it goes red. Now I need to make a page for the Van Gogh link. So what I'm going to do is go back onto my Picasso page, and I'll just highlight everything. That's Control A and Control C to copy, File and New, and I'm going to paste it in, and then I'm going to save it as Van Gogh .html, and I press save. So now you need to be a little bit careful. This is the Van Gogh page, and this one here is the Picasso page. So I'm going to go on here and just make some changes to reflect the fact that it's this other page. I'm going to keep the same style sheet, so I'll just leave that for now. So the heading on the page is going to be Van Gogh, and I won't be able to use that image anymore, and so on and so forth. So I won't spend too long doing this, but let's just take out that, and I'll just put some hold in place text. And similarly, this video isn't going to work anymore, so I'll just take that out. I'll just do Control S to save that. Just make sure these are all saved. And if I go back onto my Picasso page, that will link through to this page. This one should link through to my template, if you like, for my Van Gogh page, and I should be able to link back again.